Your Windows PC is tracking more data than you think. But don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to stop it step by step. Fix 1. Diagnostic data tracking. Click the Start button and open Settings. You can also search for Settings. Go to Privacy and Security. Then click Diagnostics and Feedback. Now turn off Send Optional Diagnostic Data. Then turn off Improve Inking and Typing. Finally, scroll down and click Delete Diagnostic Data. Fix 2. Search Tracking. Again, open Settings from the Start menu. Go to Privacy and Security. Then click Search. Turn off Search History. Turn off Show Search Highlights. Turn off Microsoft account. Turn off work or school account. Now scroll down and set Find My Files to Classic. Fix 3. Location Tracking. Go to Settings. Then Privacy and Security. And click Location. Turn off location services completely, or you can disable location access for specific apps. Fix 4. Background Apps Tracking. Go to Settings. Then Apps. Then Installed Apps. Select any app, then click Advanced Options. Find Background Apps Permissions and set it to Never. Fix 5. Telemetry Service. Press Windows +R on your keyboard. Type services.msc and press Enter. Find Connected User Experiences and Telemetry. Open its properties. Set Startup Type to Disabled. That's it. Your Windows privacy is now much better. Subscribe for more quick PC fixes.